Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to delete Airbnb account permanently on an Android device. Well, some of you may have privacy concerns and want to remove your personal information from the platform. So by deleting your account ensures that your data is no longer accessible or stored by the company, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. So let's go to the tutorial. Well, open the Airbnb application. Okay, next, click your profile icon here. After that, scroll a little bit and select privacy and sharing option. Okay, so now tap on delete your account option. And for the next step, you can add your country and then select the reason for deleting your Airbnb account. So lastly, click delete account option here. Okay, so now your Airbnb account is successfully deleted permanently. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to delete Airbnb account permanently on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.